Assalamualaikum and hi guys! In this video, I'll share with you on how to use Maker Drive with Raspberry Pi. I'm using Raspberry Pi 0WH, MakerHead, Maker Drive, 2DC motor, 18650 battery and battery holder. You can refer to the other Getting Started with Maker Drive tutorial for the hardware connection between Maker Drive, DC motor and battery. Next, connect the M1A pin to pin 17, M1B pin to pin 18, M2A pin to pin 27, M2B pin to pin 22 and ground to ground. Please make sure that you are using the latest and updated Raspbian OS. To control the speed of the motor, we have to use a PWM and it requires fixed frequency. Since Raspberry Pi runs on Raspbian operating system, for now, it's quite difficult to get the fixed frequencies using GPIO 0 library. Anyway, we can still do it with Pi GPIO daemon together with Pi GPIO library. Open the terminal and write this command to run the Pi GPIO daemon. Then, open Python 2 and use the sample code that we have shared in our tutorial. Next, run the module. This sample code allows us to control the direction and speed of the motor by pressing the SW1 and SW2 push button. To stop the motor, press SW3 push button. That's all for today. Good luck and thank you for watching.